Stop waiting for the perfect time to start speaking English. Stop telling yourself that your English is not good enough. Stop thinking that you need perfect grammar before you open your mouth. In 2026, I'm still improving, I'm still practicing, and if you feel get stuck in your English language journey, then watch this video till the end because this video is just for you. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm learning English step by step in 2026. I'm not using any expensive course. I'm not studying in a big classroom. I'm learning by myself every single day. In this year, in 2026, I decided that I will not make excuses. I will take actions. In 2026, I made a promise. I promised that I would practice English every day, even if I felt tired, even if I felt shy, or even if I felt lazy. Because I understood something important, that success in English does not come from motivation. Success in English comes from discipline. Many people think that English is a subject like math or science. But English is not just a subject like math or science or other subjects. English is a skill, and skill become strong with practice. For example, if you want to swim, you must enter the water. Likewise, if you want to speak English, you must speak in English. Reading alone is not just enough. Watching English videos is not enough. Practice is the key. Firstly, I listen to English videos for 15 minutes. I do not understand every word, but I listen it very carefully. After that, I repeat some sentences and I spoke English alone for 10 minutes. I describe my day, I describe my plans, I describe my feelings in English. It may sound strange, but it really helps. I still make many mistakes. My pronunciation is not good. My grammar is not perfect. And my English is not good. Sometimes I forget simple words, but I do not stop. Every mistake shows me what I need to improve. If I am afraid of my mistakes, then I will never improve and I will never grow. In 2026, we all have powerful tools in our hands. Mobile phone can waste our times or they can help us to grow. Instead of scrolling for hours, you can read English articles or you can watch English videos and you can watch interviews in English, which help us to grow and which is very helpful to improve your English language journey in 2026 with the help of mobile phone. In 2026, if you do not have a partner like me to practice with, speak alone. Talk about your day, talk about your feelings, talk about your problems. Record your voice and listen to it. It may sound strange at first, but that is normal. You will see big improvement and slowly your English will become more confident and more fluent. My goal in 2026 is not perfection. My goal in 2026 is progress. I want to speak English without fear. I want to express myself clearly in English. I want to speak English like a natural way. And I know this will happen if I continue daily practice. If you are watching this and thinking, I want to improve my English in 2026, then start today. Do not wait for Monday. Do not wait for the next month. Start with 5 minutes. Speak for 5 minutes. Start 5 daily English sentences. Learn 5 new words. Small action change your future. If you found this video in 2026 for learning English language journey, then like, share and subscribe for more English learning videos. And thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.